Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV.
In today's video, we have combined the top 10 coolest gardening gadgets and incredible garden smart tool inventions that will upgrade your hoe.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Maintaining a healthy garden can feel like a chore, particularly watering. You need to do it correctly, on time, when your plants need it, not when you can. Anyone who ever took care of a garden knows the value of a good irrigation solution, but most home gardeners are still challenged by the specific watering needs of their gardens. We founded Dripio to completely solve this problem for our own garden. We've got vegetable boxes, berry shrubs, fruit trees, lots of ornamentals, and a few green fences. Each kind needs its own watering schedule. There was no way for us to keep up with all this watering manually. So we decided to install a drip irrigation system, but that came with its own challenges. After hours spent just on the head assembly, we kept wondering, why isn't there a box that has all the parts perfectly pre-assembled with some smart controls and sensors that would also look good on the side of our house? So we decided to build it, and that's how Dripio was born. 7 months into development, our engineering team of highly motivated gardeners have produced the first batch of working Dripio controllers. Now, with just a tap on your smartphone, you can water your garden from anywhere. But we didn't stop there. Since the biggest challenge is to make sure your specific plants get the specific watering they need, we took one step further and created the Dripio Smart Valve. Smart Valve was a real game changer. For the first time, gardeners get a smart tool that allows them to separate watering schedules of entire sections of their garden. You can choose to water a single raised bed or even just a section. You can group similar plants like green fences or ornamentals into their own separate watering zones, or even water a single plant like a tree or a shrub. We focused on creating durable devices that can survive years of exposure to the elements. And since most gardeners would need many smart valves, we chose technological solutions that allowed us to push the cost down while preserving the quality and durability. And most importantly, we learned from the lessons of those who came before us and designed a system that is cloud-assisted, but not cloud-dependent. We wanted to make sure that our smart products can be used with or without internet connection. And now, we are ready for production. Our goal is to release the first major batch of Dripio products for the upcoming gardening season, and we want to ask for your help. By backing our Kickstarter campaign, you will be one of the first to experience this novel smart watering technology in your very own garden. Thank you for your support.
Or you don't have time to do all this yard work because you have to get to work? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Install as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Download the app. 2. Plug me in. 3. Confirm the scope of the lawn. Just use the app, make an appointment, and I'll do the work for you. My long-lasting battery lets me mow up to 20,000 square feet on a single charge, and I always find my way home when I need more energy. Even the wildest grass is no match for me and will be mowed down to a perfect length to keep your lawn healthy. I'm 100% cable-free, and my supercomputer Vision lets me mow perfect borders and multiple zones all by myself while avoiding fences and people. The safety of my family is my priority. With my night vision and home security camera, I can keep the house safe day and night. So you don't have to worry about the house when you're not home. I'm a fully automated robot. You don't need to check and readjust the tasks. I can solve many of life's little problems. LFI, life with fun and intelligent.
Compatible with 7 professional attachments. The best power-to-weight ratio in its class. Echo X Series DPAS 2600. The Echo lithium-ion battery generates greater power for heavy-duty performance. The lightest weight in its class and the longest runtime. 7 professional attachments help you get your job done. The control panel enables easy motor speed control and mode changing for optimal and comfortable operation. Newly designed shield for clearer view of cutting head during operation. Quick change coupler makes attachment transition quick and easy. Perfectly balanced. Optimal weight distribution along the axis line of the drive shaft. Ultimate versatility from professional-grade attachments. Superior performance, increased productivity. Best-in-class battery multi-tool for the professional. Echo X Series DPAS 2600.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.